So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from Mae Rim, about 40 minutes north of Chiang Mai. Well, from my gaff this morning, it's took me 47 minutes from south of the city. So a few days ago, I got a message from this lady called, I think she's called Jiri, sorry if I got your name wrong. Jiri and her husband, and they messaged me saying could I come and do a video at their house that they've got to rent. I accepted. I said I'll come and have a look and do a video. They seemed like nice people. I don't do it to every business, but if I get a good feeling with somebody and I got a good feeling they're nice people, and I said yes, if I can help I will. So this morning I've set off early and we're in Mae Rim. We got about another 10 minutes to the house. I think they've built another house and it's brand new and they want to rent it. I don't know the full story yet. This one's not for me specifically. Maybe I will like it. But this one's just to show a house that's for rent. So I'm going to do the 10 minutes. Let's get up there and check this place out. So guys, we have made it and I've met the guy and May. Her nickname is May. Her name's Jiri. But she said I can call her May, which is a lot easier. So, yeah, they're a little bit camera shy and they don't want to be on the camera, so that's fine. They've just nipped off to their other house and they've given me some info and I can just do my thing here. It's always better if they can show me, but not everybody wants to be on camera. These are like housing units in Mae Rim, a nice area of Mae Rim as well. An area that I've not really been. Yeah, the lady, May, she has built these and they're all theirs. I think there's how many units? 1, 2, 3, 5 units and they're all available. So they are houses, but it's like a 2-story sort of condo it reminds me of. I've had a quick look in there and I'm going to show you one. They're all the same, so we're only going to look at one. And all this is brand new. So this is your washing machine area. And what I like, what May has done here, she's put it all inside. Because when you've got these washing machine areas, they're normally outside, it's baking hot. But this one is all inside where it's cool. You've got a brand new water machine outside, look, where you can get your one bat water. And we'll start off at the washing machine area, all inside. You can sit down while your washing's getting done. You've got a sink here as well, and you've even got a toilet. So if you was getting your washing done, you could just wait here for a little bit. 30 baht. I think these are 20. Yeah, the bigger ones are 30 and the smaller ones are 20. So great price. That's what they are in most places now. I normally chuck all mine in the 30 baht one now. All brand new. Got the camera here, look. Even smells brand new. Brand new, clean. Right then, let's go and have a look. So I've got Lucille parked up over there. So May was telling me it's been finished 4 months. All this has just been finished for your parking. You've got one each side as well, look. 3 parking spots each side. Well, you've got 2 over there. Up here, you've got your water tank as well, which will supply all the houses. Behind, you've got I think, what was they telling me? It's a training place or something. And May was saying it's always quiet. So here you go. You've got your own post box outside, look. I've had a look already and it's nice. There's a couple of things that they've told me they will add, because I know a lot of you guys are going to say, I will need this, I will need that. So here we go. You walk in, you've got your living area straight away. And very nice, look. Very, very nice. Clean. You could add some things here, couldn't you? Got your TV there, so the TV comes included. And yeah, they was telling me about this. Got you can fit any socket in there, look. Any socket, even your UK ones. We'll try the sofa. So you get this brand new sofa as well. Looking out And it is cool in here. They was telling me that they used a brick that keeps it cooler instead of a block, and it does feel cool in here. So the one thing already is there's no aircon downstairs, but they was telling me if somebody was here on a long contract they would fit it. And yeah, I'll tell you more about the price and the contract at the end. You go upstairs in a minute. Out the back here you've got your kitchen, and furnished as well, guys, with all your basic gear. You get the table, chairs, microwave, cooker. Is that a small cooker there? You get your pan. Is it a cooker? Yeah, it is. You get your electric cooker there too. So this would be your small kitchen. Look, well, not small. It's a nice size, man. And your toilet. You get your fridge as well. Downstairs toilet. So yeah, all 5 of them are the same as this. And under here you've got your storage. So yeah, this is always good to have, right? Any crap you got that you don't use so much, you can just put it all in there, or your cleaning gear. And out the back, so they're telling me all this needs to be cleaned up, lit on the floor. They've only just finished from the building and stuff, but all this would clean up, and you could bring your washing out from the front and hang your washing here. I think the walls, yeah, next door, you could see next door, but I think the wall's high enough where you're not going to get in anybody's way, are you? You couldn't have it no higher, I don't think. It would look a bit, it would look like a prison, wouldn't it, if it was up higher. But maybe they could have went up a bit higher. But I think that's still okay, right? Yeah, and they bought me some cookies, look. Happy days, we're going to eat them later. They bought me a little gift for coming out here. Right, we're going to go upstairs now, mate. Yeah, lovely. When are we moving in? It's different, right? It's different from what we normally look at, the styles. It's like a 2-story condo. It don't really feel like it feels like a house inside, but it don't look like a house outside, does it? So this is your main room. It's got 2 bedrooms, guys. So this is the main bedroom. Just basic. Has it got an ensuite? No, it hasn't. No ensuite. But again, you get your wardrobe, look. Your wardrobe, brand new. And yeah, this is the training building or something. Something to do with a hospital. It looks chilled, man. And brand new bed. You know what we got to do, don't you? We got to do the bed test, mate. He's a hard one. Hard one, but thick, good quality. You can tell he's a good quality one. Aircon. Hang on, there's the aircon controls. Oh yeah. So you got your aircon upstairs, but there's not one downstairs at the minute. And this is your upstairs bathroom. Yeah, I like it. Brand new, never been lived in. Toilet, got your shower down the end. No divider. Oh, divider makes all the difference, mate. But still, maybe you could put one in. And this is it? Yeah, it's a smaller bedroom, so single bed in here. I think you could put a double bed, right? Double bed would be possible. It'd be a little bit tight, but yeah, single bed. This overlooks the road that I came in on. So this house is 8,000 baht a month. There wasn't any sort of contract, but really they want 6 months, they said after. They would like 6 months, but anything could be possible, because one of these they use as a daily. You can stay here daily too. So the one down here, got the angle grinder going. Can't get away from angle grinder, can we? Yeah, number 662 is a daily room. You can stay there daily. So this one, yeah, ideally, the rest of them, they want 6 months, but you know, you could probably talk to May about it and come to some sort of deal or something. Obviously they don't want people here just for a few weeks then gone. 100 baht a month for the water, and the electric was government rate. 1 month's deposit, or it might have been 2, I forget. I think, yeah, this is why it's better to have somebody telling you. I forgot. I think it was 2 months deposit, so 16,000 deposit. There's an international school 10 minutes up the road, which apparently is one of the best, better than all the ones down in Hang Dong. They do higher grades or something, higher outcome, and I think this one's meant to be one of the better ones. I'll just show you outside a minute. Like, you're on a corner, but it's not really it's not a crazy road. It's like your little B roads like you have back in the UK. You turn off the main road about 10 minutes back that way. You turn off the Mae Rim big highway road. You've got some local houses across the road here. Yeah, and that's where you go into the, what's it called? Traditional Thai Medical Centre or something. All brand new. I just said hello to these guys in here. Lady's house right next door. Right, today is turning into a good one. I wasn't expecting this extra bit here. 3 minutes up the road, she's got like a mini housing estate that's brand new, and this is it. Breathtaking scenery. Look, got the mountains behind. All these houses, look, one's still not finished. All these are hers. She's just built it all. So we're gonna have a look at these as well. Yeah, I'm gobsmacked, mate. We're gonna look at both. This one is unfurnished, this one here's furnished, and that one down there still getting finished. And over here, look, she has got a clubhouse, and I've just been in there. There's an 85-inch TV. So this one's unfurnished. They want quite a bit of money for these, but it's up to them what they want to charge. I'll tell you in a minute. But lovely places. Look at this, man. Put the lights on. So when I say unfurnished, there's a fridge here already. I think they got the beds. No, there's no beds. So yeah, this is your kitchen overlooking Mae Rim countryside. So what's she got? She's got 7 houses, or theirs, or for rent, or built. This is your bedroom. Bathtub. I'm gonna show you the bathtub. So you got the aircon in here, and you've got a big wardrobe. Oh, I miss me bath. Love bath. So what's up here then? This is some sort of heater, is it? Power stream. Is that where your shower would go then? Because obviously, yeah, the shower would be up there, right? And over here, 2 bedrooms. Nice big room as well. Smaller wardrobe. And then oh yeah, this is where you have your shower. So the shower is separate from the bath. You got two toilets. One with a bath, one with a shower. So this house, guys, is 20,000 a month on a 1-year contract. Unfurnished. They're 20,000 a month. So we'll look next door now at the furnished one. Then we'll go down to the clubhouse, which is actually nothing at the minute. They don't know what they're gonna do with the clubhouse. So we've got the guys down here still finishing the 3rd one. So this one here is furnished. So we'll have a quick look at this one a minute. So same again. But you got a nice chair there, look. Nice table. Got your beds as well. Yeah, same again. So this one here is 25,000 a month. I know a lot of you are going to say expensive. It's out of my range, but that's what they want for this one. And yeah, same again. The only difference is you've got the bedroom, you got the beds, still got aircon. Was there aircon in every room? And there you got your shower again, look, shower. And yeah, I'd probably put a double bed in here. No aircon in the second room. But very nice again, furnished. These are reclining as well. I had a go in this one before. So yeah, 25,000 this one, 1 year contract. There you go. Right, I'm going to show you the clubhouse now, mate. So they don't know what they're going to do with this yet. It might be a gym. Got a lake. Look, it's built on a lake. Got a lake underneath. It's on stilts. Didn't see that when I first came down here. Look. And who's that on an 85-inch TV? Who's that little rascal, man? Wow, I've never seen myself on an 85-inch. Look how clear my camera is, man. I'm well happy with the image quality. Looks good. 85-inch TV. So they don't know what this is going to be, guys. It's just a room where you can come and sit, and great for watching a football, right? Hey, the escalator vlog, mate. And this could be an extra house. There, got your bathroom down here. You can go out onto the lake. Bathroom and kitchen. This could be an house, man. So yeah, obviously this is not for rent. This is just going to be, they don't know what this is going to be. Nice to meet you. Can you hear me? Let's turn that off now, man. So yeah, clubhouse. Yeah, I'm very happy to come out here today. I would say Mae has got quite a nice life, and her partner, don't you think? It's not very often we come to a place where they've got 5, 6, 7, 8 properties for rent. What a beautiful area as well, man. This is just going to be a garden, and they said they're going to build a swimming pool here as well. Swimming pool here. So yeah, the unfurnished one 20,000, the furnished one 25,000. Quite steep, innit? But yeah, maybe we can do a follow-up in the future when there's a swimming pool here. Hey, it's not a bad old life, is it? I wish this was my place, mate. I wish my life was like this in Thailand, but we're happy with our little life anyway, aren't we? Little budget rooms as well. I love the budget rooms, but it was great to come out here. Wasn't expecting this or this. I was just expecting an house, man. But lovely. I'm going to stop waffling. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys. I'm going to leave the locations to both places, or if they want me to leave this location, I will have to ask. If not, you can just contact in the comments for any information. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.